Have you ever noticed how mornings set the tone for the rest of your day? Often, without realizing it, our morning rituals secretly drain our prosperity and abundance. This happens even before the sun reaches its peak. Ancient Buddhist traditions teach us something key. Every action and thought at the start of the day weaves the tapestry of our future reality. What if 5 specific morning habits were blocking your flow of wealth? Not just financial wealth, but abundance in all forms. In this urgent guide, we'll dive into Buddhist teachings. We'll expose 5 subtle habits that sabotage your prosperity. You'll discover the energetic reasons behind each one. Most importantly, you'll learn simple, powerful replacements. These can restore the positive flow of money and blessings in your life right away. Get ready to transform your mornings. Open the doors to unprecedented abundance. Stay with us until the end. The last tip is the key to sealing this new reality of wealth. The first morning habit that drains your wealth is checking your phone notifications right after waking up. Many of us do this automatically. It's almost like a conditioned reflex. But according to Buddhist principles, starting the day by absorbing the chaos and external demands of the digital world disrupts your personal energy field. Often these are negative demands. Your mind, freshly awakened and still in theta or alpha brainwave states, is highly suggestible. Instead of nurturing your inner peace, you expose it to anxieties, comparisons, and news that breed fear and scarcity. Energetically, this creates a barrier between you and the universal energy of abundance. Essentially, you're telling the universe that external priorities and reactivity rule your life. This overrides your own intentions and peace. That early information bombardment can spark stress, rush, and the feeling of always chasing behind. Replace it with a few minutes of silence, meditation, or simply observing your breath. Let your own energy settle before connecting to the outside world. The second habit that quietly drains your wealth is complaining or thinking negatively about the day ahead. This might show up as "I hate Mondays," "I can't wait for this day to end," or jumping straight to tough tasks and problems. Buddhist teachings emphasize that the mind builds reality. If you start the day with resistance and dissatisfaction, you're programming your personal universe to find reasons for that negativity. Every thought carries a vibration. Complaining is a low vibration state. It attracts more of the same. Instead of drawing in solutions, you pull in more obstacles. This creates a vicious cycle of scarcity and struggle. To reverse it, practice morning gratitude. Before getting out of bed, think of 3 things you're grateful for. It could be the sunlight, the comfort of your bed, or the smell of coffee. This simple shift raises your vibration. It tunes your energy field to attract more things to be grateful for. The third habit that sabotages your prosperity is getting dressed without intention or in clothes that don't make you feel good. You might think clothing is just about practicality, but Buddhists understand the subtle energy behind everything. Your clothes are an extension of you. They carry energy. If you choose wrinkled, old, faded pieces that don't inspire you, you're sending a message of self-devaluation and neglect to yourself and the universe. The energy you project through your appearance reflects your self-image. If you don't feel prosperous and worthy of well-being, how can you attract more of it? Start the day by choosing clothes that make you feel confident, comfortable, and respectful toward yourself. Even if you're just at home, it doesn't have to be luxurious, but it should make you feel good. This isn't about vanity. It's about honoring your body and vibrating at a frequency of deservingness. The fourth morning habit that subtly diverts your wealth is skipping breakfast or eating something rushed and mindlessly. In Buddhist teachings, nourishing your body is a sacred ritual. It extends to mindful eating. Your body is your temple. How you feed it at the start of the day is vital for your overall energy. This includes your creative and manifesting energy. Eating inattentively while doing something else, or skipping it altogether, shows disconnection from your own well-being. When you don't prioritize nutrition, you drain your vital energy. This can lead to a foggy mind, irritability, and lack of focus throughout the day. It impacts your ability to make prosperous decisions and attract opportunities. Commit to 10-15 minutes for a mindful morning meal. Prepare foods that nourish your body and soul. Give thanks for the food. Savor each bite. This practice grounds you in the present. It signals to the universe that you value yourself and the abundance you receive. The fifth, and perhaps most insidious, morning habit that drains your wealth is neglecting to set a clear intention for your day. In Buddhism, intention is the driving force. It's the karma that shapes your experience. Many of us wake up and just let the day happen. We react to events instead of intentionally creating them. This lack of conscious direction is like a drifting boat. It's at the mercy of any current, not a ship with a set course. When you don't set an intention, you let the outside world dictate your experiences. This steals your creative power. It breeds feelings of helplessness and lack of control. Those are scarcity vibrations. Start each morning with 1 minute to set a clear intention for your day. Ask yourself, what do I want to experience and create today? It could be today, I attract creative solutions. Or today, I'm productive and calm. Or today, I receive new opportunities. Write it down. Visualize it. Feel it. Now that you know these 5 wealth-draining habits, I want to stress the importance of implementing the suggested replacements. Remember, consistent small changes lead to big transformations. Buddhist teachings remind us that the journey to abundance starts within. It comes through discipline of mind and heart. Every morning is a fresh chance to recreate your reality. Align it with the universe's unlimited flow. Shifting from old habits to new ones takes patience and self-compassion. Don't judge yourself if you slip for a day or two. Just resume the practice. The key is persistence and belief that you're co-creating your reality. Your morning energy expands into your day, week, month, and life. By mastering your mornings, you master your destiny. Take avoiding the phone first thing, for example. It's not just self-control. It's recognizing your energetic sovereignty. You're affirming that you choose the quality of your experience. You're not a victim of external distractions. Start with just 5 minutes without the device. Build up gradually. This pause lets your mind connect to your essence. It taps into the quiet that sparks true creativity and solutions. Morning gratitude practice is one of the most powerful tools to shift your vibration. When you express gratitude, you send a clear message to the universe. You acknowledge and value what you already have. This opens doors to receive more. Buddhist teachings say gratitude is the key that unlocks life's fullness. Make it a non-negotiable ritual. It's a gift you give yourself at every dawn. Choosing clothes with intention is a sacred act. Each piece you wear can carry self-love and prosperity. Instead of just getting dress with purpose. Honor the temple that is your body. Feel the texture. Appreciate the color. Dress with a sense of deservingness and confidence. This simple practice lifts your self-image. It elevates the energy field you project to the world. A mindful breakfast is an investment in your vital energy, just as you invest in other life areas. Invest in your body and mind through attentive nutrition. As you savor your food, you're absorbing more than nutrients. You're taking in vibrations of gratitude and well-being. This practice roots you in the present and appreciation. It's a mindset that attracts more abundance. Finally, creating clear intentions is the rudder guiding your ship through life's ocean. Without intention, you're carried by currents. With it, you sail toward your destination. This is the essence of intentional karma. Spend a few minutes visualizing your ideal day. See yourself achieving goals. Feel good. Resolve challenges with ease. This visualization and clear intention act as a map for the universe to follow. By weaving these 5 new habits into your mornings, you're not just changing routines, you're rewriting your life's script. You're aligning with universal principles of abundance and prosperity. Buddhists have taught these for millennia. Let ancestral wisdom light your path. Turn your mornings into portals for a life rich in every way. Don't underestimate the power of a well-started morning. It's the foundation for the rest of your day. By extension, it's the base for your life. By shifting energy right upon waking, you send a powerful signal to the universe. You're ready to receive all the blessings meant for you. Remember, true wealth goes beyond money. Per Buddhist teachings, it includes peace of mind, vibrant health, loving relationships, and a deep sense of purpose and contribution. When you adopt these habits, you cultivate fertile ground. All forms of abundance can flourish there. Many of us were conditioned to see mornings as a time of rush and stress. It's a prelude to the day's demands. But what if we viewed it as a sacred ritual, a time to connect with our essence and set the vibration for greatness? That's the perspective Buddhist habits invite us to embrace. Not checking your phone in the morning creates a sacred space for contemplation. It's like building a sanctuary in your mind before the external world invades. In that sanctuary, you can hear your intuition, feel gratitude, set intentions that truly matter to you, not others. Gratitude practice, in turn, anchors your soul. It pulls you into the present. It reminds you of the infinite blessings already in your life. It's not about denying challenges. It's about choosing to focus on what's good. This cultivates fertile ground for more goodness. Gratitude is prosperity's magnet. When you dress with love and intention, you're celebrating yourself. It's an act of self-respect that resonates in your energy field. Imagine the possibilities that open when you feel worthy, confident, and aligned with your true essence. All from choosing clothes mindfully. And mindful breakfast, it's more than physical nutrition. It's soul food, a moment to honor the life pulsing within you. By eating with presence, you nourish yourself on multiple levels. You build a solid base of energy and well-being. Face the day with vitality and clarity. Setting intentions aligns your will with universal will. It's co-creation. You're not just wishing. You're declaring. You're directing your energy, attracting circumstances and people to support your biggest dreams and desires. Over time, you'll notice a remarkable shift. Less stress, more opportunities, more peace. A steady flow of good things in your life. This isn't magic. It's the universal law of cause and effect. As Buddhists teach, you're planting abundant seeds each morning. These habits aren't a to-do list. They're an invitation to a fuller, more conscious life. They're a way to honor the new day's energy. Align with the source of all abundance. Become a magnet for prosperity in every form. Don't wait to start. Pick one habit to try tomorrow morning, then add another. And another, until your mornings become sanctuaries of co-creation and abundance. Your life, finances, and inner peace will transform. If this content touched your heart and you're ready for this change, share your intentions in the comments below. Type, "My mornings are portals to abundance." Feel that declaration's energy resonate in your being. Like this video if it brought clarity. Subscribe to the channel for more uplifting teachings. See you next time.